This is the largest garbage dump in Indonesia. Rivers and sea full of plastic waste. Government figures show Indonesians use 1 million plastic bags every minute. More than half are used only once. Shoppers throw them away when they get home. They often end up in waterways, together with bottles, food containers and other plastics, threatening marine and human life. Guntur has been a fisherman for almost 20 years. For the past few years he mostly finds rubbish in his nets instead of fish.
If you could see below the surface is pile of garbage about 2 to 3 meters deep. I have to stop every few minutes to clean my boat engine from garbage. It has been like this for years. It is only proper if people call this area a garbage island, because that is the reality.
Plastics not only end up in the food chain, but also cause severe flooding every year, because drainage channels are blocked. The dangers forcing the government to start cleaning up rivers and coastlines.
3 years ago, this river was filled with garbage. Now water can flow to the sea again. But some say the government cleanup operation won't have any effect if people are not taught to reduce plastic waste and stop throwing garbage anywhere.
Recruits from poor neighborhoods have been formed into a so-called Orange Brigade, working around the clock to keep the rivers free from trash.
People are still not aware that they should not throw garbage into these waters. That's why we are from the cleaning brigades always try to educate them and tell them that this is against the law.
The government tax on plastic bags was introduced to shoppers in 23 cities last February. By the end of the year, shoppers nationwide will have to pay the mandatory fee of 1.5 cents per plastic bag. Government leaders say they're determined to cut waste and increase public awareness.
We have evaluated the paid plastic bag policy and the result is good. Surveys showed there are reductions of 20 to 80% in usage of plastic bags in our 23 trial cities.
As well as tax on consumers, the government also wants to impose a tax on producers of plastic packaging. The new tax is being delayed because of protests by industry leaders.
A good roadmap and clear target is urgently needed. The President has announced that Indonesia should be free of waste by 2020. But without a clear program and agenda on how to achieve this, I believe this plan will definitely fail.
Fishermen such as Guntur say further delays in the cleanup will mean he will have to look for fishing grounds a lot further from home, far away from the plastic islands that continue to grow and threaten life in and out of the oceans. Step Vassen, Al Jazeera, Jakarta.